is back.
They're just on the lawn, dude. Yeah.
Sorry, tourist. What's up, everyone? So if you guys don't know, I started this channel back in 2010, car spotting here in Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive, and I think it's time to bring back the car spotting. What do you guys think? The OG car spotting is back. Look what we have here. Dog is just vibing. Welcome to Beverly Hills. Guys, forget about car spotting. This is the best. Ram truck. What are those wheels? Oh no, what's going on? He's getting pulled.
Make a right turn in the lane. Make a right turn in the lane.
No, Ram truck down. Getting pulled over because of those wheels. Oh no, did he get pulled over because of those wheels? Oh gosh. Interesting.
Oh shit, let's go. Hold on. Yes! Yeah! We got ATVs and dirt bikes! Oh shit! Dude! Look, go! Hell yeah! Yes! Yes! Oh! Stunting! Oh! Oh my gosh. Yes! Yo! Oh! Oh, this shit is wild, bro. Yes, there we go. Oh no, fuck you!
On the sidewalks too.
Yo, they're wilding out, dude. Oh, they're wilding out here. Oh, yes!
Yes, take over.
Oh, my God. That's funny, dude. Holy fuck, yo. This bench is a fuck off, dude. Oh, my gosh. It's hilarious. Oh man, they're stunting on Sunset, dude. They're stunting on Sunset. Yes. You got the cars behind me too. They're pretty good too. Look at them. Yo, we're dealing with professionals here. They're just on the lawn, dude. Yeah. That's so funny. Yo! That is absolute jokes. Right back on to sunset. Oh my god. Take it over, take it over. Oh! Oh! Hell yeah. That's hilarious. Oh my goodness. Yes. I got some security guy behind us too, look. Holy shit. Yes. Oh, it's real. Oh shit. Spider. This sounds real. Guys, what are we looking at? What kind of Porsche Montana plates that says Spider? Top down, this guy's bombing like a maniac on sunset. That's crazy. Yeah. Dude, that's so sick. Just vibing, dude.
Before we continue, shout out to today's video sponsor, Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber makes awesome products such as this slim design, slim wallet made out of genuine carbon fiber. You can throw away your old bulky wallet and switch to Simply Carbon Fiber's wallet. I got all my cards and cash here. Look at the difference between my old and new wallet. For all car guys and girls out there, we all love carbon fiber. So go to simplycarbonfiber.com and use code SPEED10 to get 10% off. Click on the links in the description below. And there you have it. Welcome to Beverly Hills. Another protest. They have a freaking bike tour now? Dang. I feel sorry for these tourists I had to put up with this shit. Sorry, tourists. Look at the plate. Congrats. Worst stop spec. Should we consider this worst stop spec? The front is okay, but the back with the 4QT taillight, I don't know. A little bit of fire truck spotting here. Pretty cool. She's back. Why would you do a U-turn in the middle of the intersection? Green light. This F4 is so dirty. No, someone's getting pulled over. The Yaris. Yes, she's back. What the heck? Chrome Bentley. Look at those wheels. That's how you transport the TV.
They called it, so it was really confusing.
Just a casual 6x6.
Oh, this Panamera. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Panamera is blocking its own little. Troy 31. That thing's monstrous, dude.
PW7.
Oh yeah, that's really nice.